What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. My name is Rodney, and today we have a versus battle with the JBL Clip 4 in the Tribit Stormbox Micro. Now, I'm going to be blindfolded during this test. I'm going to be rocking this Snorlax blindfold. I won't know what's playing. My sister is going to have them set up over here. This will be the last time I'll be touching these speakers. I know some people asked me to do a versus with the JBL Go 3, but it's not on the level of these two speakers, and I feel like this is more fair battle. You know, same size, closer price range. So we're definitely going to do this. We'll find a competitor for the Go 3, but let's do it. Let's set up these speakers and put the blindfolds on. All right, so we got the speakers set up. We are playing them on their natural sound, you know, how it comes out of the box. There's no steroids here. We're not boosting any EQs. We're no steroids used in this. This is a fair test. So let's try it out. Change of plans. We're going to do 5 songs. We're going to do 5 songs. We're going to do 2 inside and we're going to do 3 outside since they are portable speakers. Someone in the comments told me we should get some outside tests for these versus tests because they are portable outside speakers, and you are right. So that's what we're going to do. But right now, let's do the first 2 inside. First speaker, first song. Let's go.
Think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the air, my hands rocking. When I link with ball point, you know it's not, yeah, I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Gucci stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. You only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the air, my hands rocking. When I link with ball point, you know it's not, yeah, I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Gucci stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang.
All right. Let me know in the comments what you think won this one, because this one's hard for me. But I'm going to say the second speaker was a little bit louder, just a tad bit louder. And with these small portable speakers, you want the loudest speaker you can get with some good clarity. I'm going to go with the second speaker because of the loudness, because everything else sounded the same to me, bass and all that. All right, so song number 2, the last song indoors. Let's see, let's hear it, let's go.
I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate it even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night at home. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate it even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night.
Okay, here we go. Speaker number 2 was louder. The vocals were louder, but speaker number 1 sounded like it was more fuller, like the mids, the instruments, everything was supporting the voice. And it just sounded like there was more of a full range of sound coming at you on speaker number 1. Even though it wasn't louder than speaker number 2, I felt like it was just so much more going on. I'm going with speaker number 1, but speaker number 1 for me. All right, so we're out here outdoors. The sun is beaming on my neck. It burns, but we're about to do the outdoor portion of this sound test. 3 songs. Let's go.
Can't see it clearly, but it's obvious. I know that you left me alone inside this empty, broken hole. And now you'll be the reason why my soul is tainted. See it clearly, but it's obvious. I know that you left me alone inside this empty, broken hole. And now you'll be the reason why my soul is tainted.
Second speaker easily. I liked it a lot. It sounds way fuller. Like you can hear all the instruments in the song. It's not even close for that type of music. It's definitely, I'm going with the second speaker. All right, so song number 4. So here we go. And the birds are chirping. They're never chirping. I don't know what's going on today, but let's do it. Song number 4.
We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
Again, I gotta go with the second speaker. The first speaker is louder in volume. It is louder for sure, but that second speaker just sounds more full, like you're getting so much more out of the song, especially with like a house music track like that, or a drop, I might say. Second speaker for me, winner. All right, so here we go. Last song, let's do it. Let's test this out.
Lumayo ka na sa'kin, ayaw na kitang makita. Wala nang halaga mga sasabihin ng mga salita kung dati hinahabol, ngayon ayaw na kita. Lumayo ka na sa'kin, ayaw na kitang makita. Wala nang halaga, ngayon ayaw ko na sa'yo. Lumayo ka na sa'kin, ayaw na kitang makita. Wala nang halaga mga sasabihin ng mga salita kung dati hinahabol, ngayon ayaw na kita. Lumayo ka na sa'kin, ayaw na kitang makita. Wala nang.
All right, I'm gonna go with the first speaker. It sounds more full. Right when it switched over to the second speaker, I felt like I lost something in the song. Like right away, I felt like I was losing to like just something in the song compared to what was in the first speaker that was playing. So I'm going with the first speaker for the win on that one. All right, B, so what was the verdict? Who is the winner of this small portable speaker sound test?
Quick question, do you feel like you were picking the same speaker the whole time?
Yes, I did feel like I was picking the same speaker the whole time.
Then you are correct because you were picking the Storm.
Really?
Yep.
Tribit with a clean sweep. All right, so there you go. The budget speaker, the Tribit Storm Micro with the win over the JBL Clip 4. It was just a big difference, right? Like I kept saying when you guys watched, it was just night and day. Like this was missing a lot, and the Tribit just sounded so good every time it came on. I was like, oh, that speaker is easy to pick. I don't know if it would translate for you on video, but there was like a lot missing, a lot of elements missing when this will play. It just sounded like it was just the vocals and a little bit of bass, and this had like the mids, like in the supporting instrument. So the budget speaker would have win, taking down JBL. I think that's our first budget speaker W. Soundcore got close, but this one, it handled it, got the W. So there you have it, buds. If you guys like this little sound test battle, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I'll see all of you in my next video. It'll probably be the JBL Extreme 3 versus the Extreme 2. So I'll see all of you in that one. Everyone be safe out there. This was Wanna Buy, and my name is Rodney. Peace.